It's our 3-year anniversary! We're actually heading down to Laguna. We got a hotel that's on the ocean. You can just like see the ocean from our porch, and there's a pool. And I'm really excited because I've never stayed directly on an ocean before.
Yeah.
And it's something that we've both been wanting to do for a long time. So why not do it for our 3-year anniversary? And of course, we had to bring our children. Are you guys happy to be tagging along for the 3-year anniversary?
I'm a little bit tired. I stayed up late last night, but it's worth it.
So in case you guys didn't see it, Matt posted a video for me where he's singing an Ed Sheeran song called Perfect, and it's really cool. He took a lot of our video footage from our wedding and different things and pictures and all that. It was really sweet. So sweet. So yeah, make sure to watch that. I'll make him link it in the description below when he edits this.
Rebecca's getting her fitness on already.
No, I just wanted to see it. It's so pretty.
This okay?
Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh, right on the ocean. Going out. Wow.
Not bad, huh? Wow.
This is so pretty.
Hotel actually gave us a little dog treat for the dogs. Blackjack is so excited. You like it here, buddy? Not so bad, huh, buddy? Just soaking it in? How you feeling, babe?
I feel good.
This is not
nice
bad, huh?
here.
Yeah.
I took this off, but don't worry, it still stays up.
Gotta
It's
cover.
like a strapless, but not really, but it still stays up like a strapless.
That's right. We're just soaking in the rays here before we head to dinner. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. It is really nice. Okay, we finally made it down to the beach. We're actually on the beach right now. Rebecca's just chilling. What are you doing? Okay. Oh man, she's going for it. What are you doing? Just gymnastics down here. What?
Gymnastics challenge. How many leaps can I do in a row?
That's not a leap. Oh, she's going again.
Gymnastics challenge. How fast can you swim?
No, no. Rebecca almost fell there, and then the guy walking by, he was like, literally just looked around and gave me this, the dirtiest look possible. I was like, Rebecca's like, ah! He's like this. Ah! We are at dinner. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. These look so good.
What did you get?
Cheese enchiladas with green sauce.
Salsa verde?
Yeah.
Which is like, it's Spanish for green sauce. You nailed it. We are just getting back down to the beach here after dinner. We got the dudes out. They are here on the grass, but look at the sunset. It's so amazing.